Behind every bucket of KFC lies a world of precision engineering and a secret that has been guarded for decades.
It starts with the highest quality ingredients. KFC partners with elite farms to ensure every piece of chicken meets rigorous global standards.
Freshness is a non-negotiable. At KFC, the cold chain is never broken, ensuring the product is at its peak when it enters the plant.
Precision sorting ensures that every bucket contains the perfect mix of pieces, exactly as the Colonel intended.
The legendary 11 herbs and spices, a secret formula so valuable, it is processed under the highest levels of industrial security. Every piece is coated using the Colonel's specific tumbling method, ensuring that famous texture in every single bite. The magic happens under pressure. This unique process locks in the juices while creating the world's most iconic golden crust. The pressure release marks the birth of the golden crust, a texture and flavor profile that is recognized across the globe.
For the extra crispy fans, the process changes. Open vat frying allows the coating to bloom into its signature crunch. No KFC meal is complete without the gravy, made using the authentic drippings for that unmistakable signature taste. Every side dish is crafted with the same attention to detail as the chicken itself, completing the KFC experience. For those who crave the heat, the Zinger process uses a precision-timed marinade and double breading for maximum crunch. From the secret recipe to the final bucket, every step is a testament to the Colonel's legacy of quality and taste.
Every drop of gravy is filtered for silkiness, ensuring the legendary flavor is consistent in every single batch.
Tenderness is engineered. Our precision kneading process ensures the secret marinade reaches every fiber of the meat.
Global consistency is maintained through digital precision. Every fryer in the world is monitored to ensure the kernel standards are met.
Safety is as important as taste. Our advanced X-ray technology ensures every bucket is as pure as it is delicious. Speed meets precision as the legendary pieces are united with their iconic home, the KFC bucket.
I can't believe how good this smells. Pass me another piece, please.
Innovation never stops. KFC is committed to a future as sustainable as it is delicious. KFC, the world's finest fried chicken, engineered for perfection, delivered for you.